I like to think most people enjoy breathing clean air. Do you? Yeah, me too. This car needs a lot of work done. But why not start with the easy tasks first? After all, basic maintenance should bring no complications, I think. First things first, I'm gonna remove the wiper blades to get access behind the trim panel. Something tells me we're gonna find dust and debris just stuffed in there. But what do you know? Complication number one. The wiper blade is stuck, so I'm going to lubricate it a little bit in hopes of breaking it loose. I knew I wasn't feeling resistance out of thin air. I'm going to undo these two plugs. You should definitely get this trim panel out of the way without a problem. Talk about a dirty filter. I wonder what else looks like this. Just as I expected. Dust, dirt, and debris. Well, I came prepared. I absolutely enjoy when it's time to say, installation is opposite of removal. When you improve and fix one thing, be ready to fix another. This T-hose is the water supply for both wiper jets. Now, the tubing it connects to broke, so now the hose is too short to reach both ends of the tubing. Luckily, I do have some fittings and rubber hose to be able to get this back in order. As long as my connection is watertight, I know I'm good to put everything back. What do you know? Something else broke. So the weather stripping actually cracked. So, another little thing to add to the list. Fresh air at last. What's next for the Audi TT? Only time will tell.